In this session, we are going to design one small Alram clock application using Visual Basic 6.0. For that, you just bring one music file to your folder. How I have brought, look at here, tf006.web folder. Okay, you can double click on it. If I'm clicking on it, it will play. See, this is the Alram sound. Okay. Now I'm going to my project. Okay, here you can see, here we require, what are the things we require? We require one timer, okay, and we require multimedia control. Okay, multimedia, to get multimedia control, you just go for project, component, and select Microsoft Multimedia Control 6.0. Okay, then apply. Okay, already I have selected, so no need to do again. You can see this is your multimedia control. Okay, the multimedia control, just click it and drag it to your form. Just drag it to your form, because I have to bring that music file here in this multimedia control. Okay, I will do right click. I'll go for properties. What is the property name? Control dot device type, control dot file name. You have to specify here. Okay, so here I am bringing one .web file. You can browse it. It is there in desktop, my folder, project VV. You can see TF006. You can open. Okay, so I will not open here. I will do this one in coding. Okay, now I can show you. This is your label. I have taken here label to show the system time. To show the system time with the help of timer, I can show the system time here. And then this one, you can see this is the text box where I have to enter at the run time, which I have to, what time I want to set the timer. After setting the timer, I have to click on the set alarm button. When I will click on the set alarm button, my multimedia control will be get activated. Okay, when the label 1 dot caption value is equal to your text 1 dot text value, both the time when got match, that time this alarm has to be ring. Okay, after that you can stop the alarm using stop alarm button. This is a stop alarm button. So basically this is your command 1 button. I have not given name anything, only caption I have changed, but name I have not changed. If you want, you can change the name. This is a command 2, and this is for exiting the project. And look at here, what is the time, how to get the time. You can get the time using the function that is called your format function. Okay, format, now will return you the date and time both together, but in the full part I want only which part, the time part. So for that I am giving hour, colon, then what, minute, then second, okay, and you want time, I want the time in am and or in which one, in pm should come. Okay, then I will close the double quote, I will close this parenthesis, and you see what is the time now, that is evening 6 o'clock 49 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, we have to use this format function. Okay, so now let's go for the timer. Okay, so before you are going for the timer, if I am clicking on the timer, you can see what is the interval, 0 is there. The timer has to be called by the Visual Basic after a specified time. I am specifying the time is 1000 millisecond, which is equal to 1 second. After 1 second, this timer has to be called. Okay, so how to set, I will not set here, I will set in the program. Okay, so what, I will double click on the form. Okay, you can see what I set here, timer dot interval equal to 1000. Okay, I have set, and after that what I did, okay, up to here you remember. After that we will go for the, which one, timer. I'm setting the interval after 1000 1 second it has to be called. Then double click on the timer. If I'm double clicking on the timer, I'm setting label 1 dot caption equal to format now then comma, hour, minute, second, AM or PM. That means this date, this time I'm printing where? Printing on the label of label 1 of caption. So if I'm executing, you can see why it is coming like that, because this is the code. Label 1 dot caption equal to time. System time I have given. And it is changing, you can say 52, 53, 54, because after 1 second, this timer is called. Okay, so what it will do? It will try to match, look at here now, label 1 dot caption. You can see label 1 dot caption is equal to what? Text box is there. Here you are going to give one time, hour, minute, and each form we are going to give it hour, minute, second, and you have to specify AM, PM. If you are not specifying AM, PM means it won't work. Okay, in this format you have to give in this text box. When this label 1 caption and text box text will get match, that time this control has to be work. This music multimedia control will work. That means it will play the music. So that's why I given control dot command equal to play. But first I'm going to the double click on the form. You're going to the form event. You can see here what I given, as I told you, control 1 dot device type, and device type give wave audio, and wave audio there is no space. If space is there means it is showing you error. And control dot file name. What is the file name? You are specifying a URL. Instead of URL full specifying the path name, better you just give app.path. Automatically where is your file is located, it will give you the URL. Automatically it will come here. Then plus concatenation operator, then slash, then you have to give your file name tf006.web. My file name is this one. So this one has to be given in control. Okay, now go for the command set Alram. If I'm clicking on the set Alram, you can see it is given control 1 dot command equal to close. Then control 1 dot command equal to open. That means how, if you're opening any music file, you're opening open by, if you're clicking means open. If you're closing cross button means close. That means it is closing, then it is opening. Okay, opening, and you can see the timer code. You can see the timer code. That means when I will click no, you can see now I'm running. You can see I'm setting the time now. I'm setting the time. What is the time? 6 colon 53 minute colon. Then I am setting the time to 40, and I will click on the set alarm button. You can see it got activated. Control dot command 1 equal to open got activated, but dot play will activate when these two time will match. If level 1 dot caption is equal to text 1 value will match, then only the music has to be played. And remember one thing, okay, it is not playing. You can see it is not playing. So what is the mistake here? We have to specify whether AM or PM. See, mistake was a PM. Now again I am setting. This time I am setting. This is now cross 54. Minute is 54. Suppose 54 minute. And what is the second I am setting? 30 second. And I have to specify PM or AM. Okay, then set alarm. I am setting alarm. It got activated. It got open. control dot command equal to open. And see, it will play, but you cannot hear properly. Okay, some sound is coming now. I can hear properly, but you can't hear properly. Okay, I can stop the alarm. Okay, understood the project. Thank you, student, for watching.